I'm pleased to announce that Zain Africa BV, which is the holding company, now has become a 100% owned subsidiary of Bharti Airtel International Limited, BV Netherlands.
We raised approximately $8 billion for this deal, where the total financing required is about $9 billion. The balance has to be paid over a period of time. But we were truly overwhelmed and truly humbled with the response which we got. We finally got a consortium of 11 banks led by Stanchart and Barclays to finance this entire deal. Our overall cost for the dollar financing comes to something less than 2.25%, including the LIBOR.
Airtel brand launch, as I said, we are planning by October so that we will launch the brand one night in all 15 countries in one go. New business model, we have customized for Africa, which we launched there. The process of partner selection has been initiated, and I'm sure it will lead to very, very large synergies to the company. I have personally taken 3 very important goals for myself and my team. 100 million customers in Africa, 100 million REC customers, revenue earning customers in Africa. Second, 5 billion revenue in Africa. And third, 2 billion EBITDA in Africa by the fiscal year 2012-13.
I think MTN was the first opportunity. I will again clarify, it was not a first choice. That was what was available to us, and in a very complex transaction, we were happy to go and engage. It was not necessarily a first choice between MTN and Zain. That was the only one available. And at that time, as you know, Zain was not available, and when it became available, it was the whole company, including the Middle East, which was not our target focus area. Personally, I believe that there is a way to run mobile business, which we have demonstrated in India in very dense urban centers like Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, and equally in Northeast, Assam and Andaman and Leh and Ladakh. So I believe we know the recipe for succeeding. We have seen Nigeria. We understand that place. I think there's work to be done. The management rigor that is required needs to be strengthened in Nigeria, which we will do so. A team has been picked up, which will be moving into Nigeria in the coming days. Networks, distribution, tariff rebalancing, and ensuring that we can be one up on competition will be the magic with which we will move forward.